Hello, hello, welcome back to Oolykee Gaming and welcome back to another episode of Workers and Resources Soviet Republic. Today, we're gonna focus on Bistrica and expanding to two other cities. Okay, I think that was a long time coming, but yeah, we're gonna start now. We have Bistrica here and highways all the way through to here. We're gonna work on that now. We're gonna work on enabling these two storage facilities that we have. One of them has enormous meat capacity. Hopefully we're gonna do it justice. Right, I kind of fixed it. You can see here that this was a lot of work being done here, but I think everything is connected. Do you have electricity? Too many connectors, but we're not worried about that. They're not going to be using any electricity. Right, we need... What do we need? We need coffee. I have a coffee here. It's still really warm, but we're going to do something about that soon. But yeah, okay, yeah, so like and subscribe and stuff like that. Excuse me. Okay, so we have another thing that we need to monitor over here about our people and hunger. I'm gonna just pay attention now real quickly because this seems to be, for some reason, seems to be doing okay. So this shop here with maximum amount of people, we have some issues over here, I can see straight away. Other big numbers, culture. Culture is a thing. Here we go. Probably because it's not easily accessible, but let's try this. Ha! There we go. I think I'm gonna be a little bit of a nice Mr. Nice Guy. So I'm gonna go and build something like this, and then something like this, and then something like this. Bam. Okay, maybe a little bit more. Maybe yes, maybe no. Okay, so first things first. We have 34 million monies. We have several other construction offices, and we're gonna work on them now. I have a little bit of a lag. I'm really not happy about it. I'm pretty sure it's the usual issue I have with hard drives, but it doesn't matter. Okay, let me see what we can do here. Let's go and populate these. Actually, you know what? We have this distribution office. It needs to be supplied with everything. So I think we're gonna go and, well, try to supply it with everything. So we need clothing. We're gonna need what else? We're gonna need fabric. We're gonna need something else. Food. Food is a big one, right? We have two bread distributions, or food and bread distribution. Okay, what else do we have? We have chemicals and plastics. We're gonna need those. So let's go and get our... Oh, fuel as well. Bitumen... No, I don't think we have... No, not bitumen. Oh, fuel, not even fuel. I think we left fuel at the old location. That's fine. Fuel was never an issue. But we have plastics distribution and we have chemical distribution. So two of those are gonna be a big things. And what else do we have? We need bricks, boards, prefabs. Boards are still here in Starapila, so I think we should focus on them. Let me see. Do we have board? Yes, we have board here, and people being bored over here. Okay, that's fine. You are Oh, fun. Why do we have... Why do we even have fire department here? I don't understand it. Well, we don't. Oh boy. I did not know this. Well, we should... Oh boy. Okay. Right. Let's just ignore this for a moment. Yeah, I'm gonna finish the distribution and then we're gonna be swearing and all that stuff. Okay, we have prefab distribution over here. We have meats coming from all the way over here. I think this should be more or less a lot. We still have steel and bricks. So we have Komarov, that would be bricks. And then we have steel being distributed through two different distribution. For now we're gonna start with trucks. We'll see if the rail is gonna go there or not. But let's start with this and see if we missed something. So this is gonna be our new headquarters, and straight away I'm gonna limit the amounts just in case if we need to do any voodoo with that railroad. I'm gonna go and use son of a gun, and I'm gonna go and get the second one. That's perfect. You know what? Okay, this is fine, but oh, right, I need the second one. So this is gonna be bricks and boards. There we go. These guys, yeah, these guys are tricky. I think I'm gonna just limit the amounts and lower the crops. And what else we don't need here? We don't need alcohol. Oh, it's full. Alcohol, and then fabricant chemicals. All the other stuff is more or less kind of necessary. I'm gonna do the same thing over here. Limit everything, and crops and alcohol go all the way down, and I think we should be fine. One other thing I forgot to do here, and I'm gonna do it now. I think it would be the best to rebuild this cargo station over here ASAP because it might cause a lot of issues. Well, actually, it will. Okay, excuse me about that. So, oh right, not even this is connected to the main road. I'm pausing the game just for a second. Let me see if we should be able to rotate it in this direction. Right. Let's see if I can do it like so, without connections. And let's see if we can get all of our connections over here. So we have 1 and 2, perfect. And those are the hard ones, and then 3 and the 4. Okay, that's perfect. I can let them finish this, and I will just go and yeah, I don't think. Yeah, this is kind of longish enough, so not really enough, but long. Right, let's finish this, and we have a couple of things we need to assign here. So this is going to be loading station for loading all this magical stuff from here. So let's see, this way, and load anything, because you're distributing more or less whole bunch of stuff. Okay, but we have an issue with you, so we're gonna go and add you as an unload location for steel in this case. So unload location for steel, I'm gonna close you, move you aside, and we have second steel distribution, so we're gonna go and have you here. That's interesting that I probably shouldn't talk about it that much, because I screwed up major time. But it's interesting how the city that has the biggest unemployment in the world is actually the one that doesn't have functioning fire department, because that's an easy job in a way that, you know, you just get them there and that's it. Just build it and vehicles, and they protect you from fire. And yeah, right. Okay, so we have meats over here. We're gonna go all the way down, unload meats. Just let me check real quickly. Did I do unload bricks? I didn't put bricks here. Did I even do a proper job here? Just let me quickly check. Steel distribution. Yeah, this one I did. Okay, this should be fine. Fine. We're gonna move this one. So this is Vlasenice large distribution meat, right? Okay, let's rename this one meat distribution. There we go. And you are done. Prefabs. Yeah, we're gonna have to do you as well. There we go. Scroll all the way down. Put it on unload and put it prefabs. And minimize the window. And we have few more. Okay, so we're gonna go for this is boards. Scroll all the way down. Only unload and select boards. And this is the second one. Probably should populate them all the way with the trucks because because it's easier to navigate through the options. And this is the chemical distribution. That's fine. Go here. Go all the way down. Unload and chemicals. There we go. Plastics. I think we should be closing in. Yeah. You know what? I'll do this as well. I'll I'll populate them all the way. There we go. And then we're gonna go here. This is plastics distribution. You're gonna be unloading plastics here. Why do we unload plastics here? It's just in case, you know, if we have any plastic production or anything that requires plastics. And this is also kind of additional storage area for our, well, plastics in this case, even though nothing is leaching it from here, nothing is taking it from here. Maybe I'm thinking that it could be a good thing to have this set up like that. Okay, we have board distribution. Bread distribution, that's food. Board, I probably should rename this. And yet, while still here, he's not doing it. This is... let's go with food. Okay, so we're gonna go with food distribution. Okay, food distribution is done, and is that the last one? No, we have fabrics and clothing. So we have fabrics. Scroll all the way down. And this is the new fabrics factory that is producing the hell out of the fabrics. Well, I'm hoping so, because if we have extra production, that means soon we will have trains exporting this, packing it in the containers and that kind of good stuff. And both of them count, both of them, fabrics and clothing, are eligible for train exports. Okay, this is done. Let me just check how this industry is doing real quickly. So we have our setup over here. Coal, you can see these guys for heating, they are queuing up here, but that's okay, there's only 4 of them. That means that coal... Oh, right, chemicals. Oh, how fun. How much fun we're having with this. Chemicals, we're missing them, that's obvious, that's kinda... happens. Chemicals are delivered here. Obviously this is functioning because we have chemicals, and this is supposed to be, I think, clothing only. Related vehicles. Let me just check this. This is clothing distribution, and yes, it's assigned here as well. So these guys are delivering clothing here, and this is being produced. This is killing it. We're killing it here. But where is the clothing going? Because... ah, yeah, right. We have a truck here. Okay. Currently there's one truck in here, and he's loading 100% of this and bringing it to some cargo station, Chizhov. Anyway, I'm not gonna mess with this. This is working and then some. But my worry is, why is this full of clothing and not being transported there? Is it possible that we have it 30%, even though this is more than 30%? Let me just close this and see our clothing distribution. No, it's 90%. So technically there should be 90% of clothing delivered here. But they are not at the moment. Probably I should have direct clothing line. But like I said, I have a lot of stuff to do, and we already almost went through the quarter of the episode, so let's not do that. Right, so we have the same thing over here. I'm just gonna real quickly do this. So we're gonna go all the way up, and we're gonna go to the cargo station, and this is gonna be unloading of fabrics. You're gonna be unloading fabrics here, and I'm just gonna select fabrics. I'm gonna remove this now. We have food distribution. You're going the same way. Unloading. And this is food, right? Okay, food. That's good enough. We have food distribution number 2. Let's open that one. Again, this is fine. We need to scroll all the way down. We need to make it to unloaded here and just select food. Just in case if by any mistake or for some reason I selected this to be additional storage for something, and some other trucks are gonna be delivering something else as well. So anyway, let's just do it like this. So There's a lot of messages coming everywhere. Hopefully we're gonna be this is chemical distribution. It's not selected here. Okay, Ceanwu is the last one. That's in the town. That's on the other side of the country. Here we go. And this is chemicals. Let's click on the chemicals. We have board distribution. Actually, we have a couple of those. And should we? Yeah, this is the one. Okay, let's populate you. We have money. We have money. That would be open hull and all the way. Oh, come on. Coffee time. Coffee time. Coffee time. Oh yeah, okay, that hit the spot. Okay, let's continue on. So this is fully populated. We're gonna go and select. Oh boy, I'm hoping that I didn't make a mistake here. No, I didn't. I think this is the first construction material delivery. So this is board distribution, and then we have second board distribution. This one needs one truck. That's fine. We're gonna go for. Can you find it like this? Yeah, we can, but looks like this is gonna take page number 7. Okay, so we're gonna get this one. We're gonna send you here. We're gonna go all the way down. You're gonna be unloading and boards. That's it. We're gonna go prefab. Yeah, these guys are gonna go crazy. I saw a lot of trucks there, so they're gonna come here in convoys. Unload and prefab panels. Okay, what do we have? We have meat distribution that goes to the other one. I'm just gonna go and select refrigeration and fill you all the way in. Okay, and go over here. And over here. That's fine. Bricks go in here. Brain goes in here. Okay, and then we're gonna go all the way down, select unload, deselect you, and select bricks. Steel division. Okay, obviously we had a lot of fun here, so I'm just gonna scroll to page number 7 and fill this in all the way. Close this and select you, scroll all the way down. And we're gonna go steel and unload steel. Right, steel division is the last one. I know it's distribution. Okay. There we go. I'm not even sure if I'm delivering everything. I think I'm not missing anything here. I know that I have prefab, steel, boards. That's all fine. What do we have here? Do I have food? Mechanical, electrical components, electronics. This is the one I'm missing. Okay, this one is being constructed at the moment over here, and this is our distribution office, and we call it IT, even though it should be high-tech rather than IT. And luckily for us, this is the only one we have, and it needs to go unload, and you're unloading... I have a bad feeling about this. No, that's it, yeah, that's the one. Okay, so we have electronics, mechanical components, electrical components, mechanical components, and electronics. Okay, anything else we're missing? Plastics, no, and no. And meat is there as well. Okay, that's it. I'm done. We supplying them with the everything under the sun, and we're gonna continue with the. We're gonna continue with. Setting up our quickly. Yes, you know what? I'm gonna tell you to go here and get parts. Yeah, and the other ones here. Perfect. Straight away, he's gonna go to the new station, to the new place, and there we go. Okay, this is all populated. Now let's go and do the voodoo that we do so well. Here we go. 4 American trucks or vehicles. That would be asphalt paver and West German Mars 305, American by being enemy, buying with dollars. And then we're gonna go for covered hull. Again, I'm gonna repeat what I always say. We have 2 covered hulls because they are well, it's more or less double the size of the original. Construction office, we're gonna go for 6 dumper trucks. This is increase to basic one by 3 times, I believe, or 2 times, 3 times. Anyway, we're gonna go for 4 open hulls because all the vehicles we buy, they don't transport themselves. They are stationary, so you have to carry them to the place where it's gonna work. And again, we said that now these Czechoslovakian ones is faster and has more kilowatts, so we're gonna go for them from now on. And then we have excavators. Of course, we have the oldest ones, the most reliable ones, just to keep it all in the same loop, in the same ballpark, because these are KMZs, even though they are 53s and not 54s. They're pretty fast, and they have just a little bit lower capacity by 1 ton. That's less than 10%, but they're much faster, so I'm gonna go for 6 of these. And we have 2 last things. Pavers, no, we got American pavers, and then we have rollers 1 and 2, and we have tower cranes. That would be the biggest ones. And we're gonna increase this to 3 kilometers, and congratulations, we have ourselves a construction office. Okay, this is one, and this is the second one I was planning on putting online, but that was online already. So this is gonna boost our production capabilities, and we're gonna start now. I want to start first with heating plant. Heating plant is going to be a big one, and I'm expecting to heat 3 cities, these 3 cities over here. I have no idea where to place it. I mean, I do. I think this would be the best place, because it has empty part of land here, and potentially we can put some more industries. These 2 cities are really nicely shaped, where we can put a train station on the outskirts of the city, and I think we can cover the most of the city, and then we can supply whatever we decide to be here with trains, with a nice transport. Okay, so let's start with the heating plant. Heating plant, like I said, it needs to be a huge one. It's gonna be the coal heating plant. Yes, how we gonna get coal here? I don't know. We mentioned something about the trains, so we'll see how that's gonna go. Okay, so at the moment, this seems to be populated. Okay, this doesn't have to go all the way to the road, because I think most of the connections are gonna go through here, so we can level it to, well, actually, let me see if we can, maybe we can just plonk it in here. Yeah, we can. Let's see how it goes. Yeah, Bistritz over there. Yeah, this doesn't look too bad. The only problem is these underground heating pipes, how far they're gonna go, because these cities, I'm pretty sure they are all on different heights. Also, we need to decide how we're gonna get coal here. I'm pretty sure, I'm gonna check it, but I'm pretty sure that we don't have any big coal reserves around here. But let me check the map real quickly. Okay, so we have a map here, and this is colors. Oh, looky, what the hell is this? And we have something there in the corner. Let me just check what are we talking about here. And is there another town here? Oh, look, another town. Right, so we have a coal mine here. It's kinda bad. Probably I should just utilize our trains, because we have train loading station. The train is coming all the way here, but I think we should build a new train line. Well, maybe not. Maybe we should just go with the extension, because we have train construction office over here that is just aching to be put back in production. And then there's a big oil field here that we need to exploit, and we can just turn the railroad this way, and then around town and going to our loading and unloading. Yes, we have a plan, because construction office there is gonna construct all of this in no time. Right, we are gonna plan to have coal delivered by trains. I hope everybody's happy, because I think that's a really good solution. Okay, we're gonna level a little bit more around here, because when we level this mountain down, we kind of blocked our entrance here. So let me see if we can unblock that. So I'm gonna go for asphalt. Probably should have gone with the... Look at this. Okay, that's pretty much fine. Right. Okay, I'm happy with this. Start construction, okay. Obviously this I think is going to be cut into pieces, but we'll see how it's going to go. Let's go with the storage. So we need a big storage. If this is going to be connected by trains, we're going to need a big storage. Now we all know by now that these okay, this is gonna be tricky because I need to leave a lot of space here for trains. So we're gonna play around with the actually this is the best, yeah, this is a better idea. We're gonna play around with the conveyor belts, and also I'm gonna do something like this. We're gonna go and construct this so they can start straight away on the on this part here. So if this is going to be a train station, then we're going to have to... Okay, this might be a bad idea as well. Let me just remove this. We're gonna have... If we're gonna have a train station here for unloading coal, we're gonna have to have something like... let's go first. We're gonna have to have it in this direction here, because the train is gonna be stopping there. So this would be a proper way, and it's gonna be a little bit easier on our conveyor belt system that we're gonna build. But let's not talk about that. Let me demonstrate. That's the best thing I think to do. I think these, I'm pretty sure, I'm gonna leave space, but I'm pretty sure that these train stations have engine in them, so they will unload the coal without the engine. But let's level it. Let's start construction and work from there. Okay, let's see these paths. I would really like to get this through here, but I'm pretty sure it won't fit. No, it's gonna have to go elsewhere because I don't want to interrupt. Actually, you know what? Let's go for conveyor belts first. Conveyor belt pipe system. We're gonna go for 1 into 3, just in case if we need to build something else like a power plant, which I think we're gonna need here. So 1 into 3. We're gonna rotate this many times. And then, oh, this is a road. We need a pedestrian path. There we go. Like this. And then rotate this 3 more times and build it like this. There we go. This is what I wanted to build. Okay, and all of these guys, they don't have to have asphalt connected to them. So we're gonna go and just build crappy mud roads. Like this. There we go. So you can start on storage, and here you can start on this train station straight away. Okay. Oh wow, they already started construction over here. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Of course, all of this is gonna need a lot of electricity, so I'm thinking, yeah, we have extension over here. We're already using 6 megawatts of electricity here, but like I said, maybe we should straight away plan for the coal power plant as well. I don't see why not. I don't see why not. I think we can go back to back here, or next to this one. So, because they have... yeah, this is gonna look so good. Look at this now. If we go for normal coal power plant, in-game one. So if we go for energy related and then go for coal power plant, they are the same model as this. So they're pretty much the same. So if I level this area, let's say like this, and get them on the same level, it's gonna be they're gonna look more or less similar, quite similar, and they can both be connected to the same coal source, and I think that's gonna be okay. I'm hoping that this is gonna be okay. And then supplying 3 cities with heating and electricity as well. Because that one city there is already taking 6 megawatts of electricity. I know it has a lot of even car industries connected there, but still, we don't know what we're gonna build over here, so better be safe than sorry. So something like this, I think would be the best. Yeah, let's try it like this, and I think I don't have to level it a little bit here, but I was thinking of connecting it there, but you know what? Let's connect it. Let's connect it. Oh, right here. Okay, it's gonna be a little bit of leveling. Let's connect it because train station for this, let's call it industrial area. How far is it from city? It's far enough. Yeah, I was worried about pollution for a second there. Right, it's far enough from the city, so we can have trains delivering workers here. But these two, heating plant and the power plant, they don't really take that much. They don't really take that much workers, so I don't think trains would be, well, obviously trains have to be here because why the hell not? And come on. Right, okay, it's gonna fight me. Right, let's try it this way a bit. This is only construction anyway. I can connect it here because I'm gonna build an asphalt road and probably the one with the lights and everything when this is done. And then we're gonna have a train station. Well, why not? Why the hell not? Let's start on a train station straight away as well. So we're gonna have a train station. Where are you? Scooby-Doo. Here we go. Small platform. That's gonna be good enough. Small platform over here, and this is kind of in the middle, which I'm absolutely perfectly fine whatever they choose. And you know what, I didn't actually plan this, but we can design the railroad now. We can design railroad for this. Okay, I have no idea what I did here, but there we go. They can construct this. Okay. Let's get this railroad construction on the road. Okay, these are working without issues, that's perfect. Now I'm just seeing a lot of cars here and I'm kind of worried that it's stopping a lot of times, so... right, we need... This is a small distribution office, everything is around here. What do you need delivered? You need gravel, no, gravel is connected directly. You need one... I'm gonna go for one covered hull, and the rest of them is gonna be open hulls. So let's go buy one covered hull, and then we have open hulls, second page, and 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. So that means that these guys here, look at the power supply fluctuating. That's really bad. Is that the same over here? No, but this could be the reason why it's fluctuating. Electricity. Let's go and see. Yeah, look at the electricity over here. Yeah, it's fluctuating. Yeah, this is the problem because we have too much. Yeah, you can see here. We are consuming power here, but it's not good. It's not good. We need more connectors. I don't even know if we have any more on this one at least. Oh boy, we do. This is so perfect. Not really, but we can do something about it. So let's see, these guys are consuming a crap load of electricity. Well, actually not, they can handle the cable. The cables should be able to. What's the maximum? 1.2. They can handle 2 over 2, so this is what I'm gonna do now. We're gonna go back, and obviously this is overburdened, but I don't know from where. Well, let's see this one here. Here we go. Let me see, do you have connection? No, we don't. Okay, I see the problem. This is an old one. We don't have this. I'm gonna do this real quickly. Bang, and come on, will it go away? There we go. Perfect. You need to be destroyed. And then we need to find... No, we need to go to mods. And we need power transformer, and we need 4-way medium transformer. There we go. Rotate it twice. Pause now, because oh crap. Let's pay for this like this, and let's pay for the cables as well. No, not mods. We need cables, power cables over here. So you have this one. You have this one, you have this one, and now we're gonna have another power supply going directly here. So this is gonna give us 2 inputs of 2200, and there we go. What? This is consuming so much electricity? I just doubled the input of this and it exploded. Do we have electrical heating or something over here? Okay, this is stable. Okay, at least this is stable. But city is not stable. Okay, what the hell is happening here? something is draining power over here, and I'm really hoping that it's not the... no, we have geothermal heating here. Yeah, but it's still taking a lot of power. That's strange. Okay, it doesn't seem like there's any big power drain happening here, so I have no idea what this is. Okay, well, maybe it was just a once-off. Okay, let's continue on. Electricity resolved. Okay, you can see that our... okay, right, you need stuff. Okay, since we are moving this away... ah, right, I should have stopped. You know what, as soon as they restock that, I'm just gonna destroy this one. Oh boy, look at them go. Yeah, this is what's expected from here. Anyway, let's get you gonna be loading steel, prefab, bricks, and boards from over here, and then you're gonna go here and you're gonna get the electrical components. That's perfect. And then you're gonna be unloading all of that here and here. So you're gonna be unloading all of that. Yeah, just unload everything and keep it at 90%. Yeah, perfect. Okay, they're on the way. There we go. We have these two that are not finished, and I have no idea why is that. Actually, the towers are finished, but this is not finished. I thought that they can be... it doesn't matter. It actually doesn't really matter to me, right? And why is this one not finished? Okay, let's finish. Right, okay. So we'll look at this one here. This one is interesting as well. Let me just go and... yeah, I connected this to the path, but this path is not connected to the outside world. It's connected only to the train station and this. So if I... so this tower here is not constructed, and it cannot be assigned to any construction office. But if I do this, and let's... no, I can put a mud road. Doesn't matter. Here we go. If I put a mud road and click on it, it already has 2 construction offices assigned. But doesn't matter. I'm gonna finish it now because we need gravel supplied here as soon as possible. Here we go. Gravel is being supplied, and we're gonna buy a couple of monstrous railroad construction vehicles. Just 2 for now, because we're gonna have 2. We're gonna have two lines only, so that should be okay. So let's go and just put lights over here. I need to separate these guys from the rest of the grid, because they will not go and construct anything unless they have a like free pass. Okay, right, so we need a train going over here. I can bypass all the houses, that's fine. I don't mind that. So let's build a bridge first, or design where the bridge is gonna be. We're gonna go for the expensive bridge because it's faster, and then we're gonna go for simple one. You know, I want it to be built in... yeah, actually no simple overpasses, because it has to go over this as well. So let's go with railroad. And now I'm gonna build bridge over that. So we're gonna go bridge, and gonna go 1 and a 2 and a 3. And I think this should be pretty much straight. Let's see. Yeah, kinda is. Okay. If we ever decide to have ships, no, I'm kidding. We're not having ships. It's just because a road, you know, overpass, underpass. Who really gives a damn? As long as the traffic is not bothering each other, we're all fine with that. Okay, so this is more or less how I want it to look, and now we have to do something about this. I'm not seeing any traffic going over here, and it's always easier to build the... let's construct this, because I'm pretty happy with the design. And what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna go and connect these guys, just, you know, vulgaris like this. Okay. Am I happy with this? I think I am. And this one here. Okay, bang, guys, you have so much work to do. While we are here, I'm just gonna go on the... defensive over here and see if we can build an overpass here. I don't see anybody using this road at the moment. 100 kilometers per hour. Is this a simple one? 1, 2, 3. Nothing is simple in this game. Okay, let's just be generous about this. Okay, so we need the bridge, obviously. 1, 2, 3, and be generous with the wow. And 1, 2, 3. There we go. That can be constructed, yes. And this road just needs to be a little bit modified, and that's it. Okay, asphalt road over here and here. Band that thing. There we go. Miss Annabella, band that thing. Is that how it goes, I think? I'm kidding, of course. Okay, so let's go and continue building this railroad all the way to both of the stations. We're gonna have a station bypass at one point as well. We can build a station over here as well. I think this city is voluntarily depopulated for the moment. Let's see. Yeah, people don't like living here. There's one guy keeping watch, a couple of guys, and that's about it. All on voluntary basis. Yes, we're not forcing anybody to do anything in this. Okay, I'm gonna stop now. Right, so we're gonna have a train station somewhere around here. That's perfectly fine. I'm gonna have intersection before it, and let's see how this is. Wow. Okay. I missed it by a little bit. You know what, let's just cancel it all the way, and let's see if we can just connect this one and this one. Yeah, this looks, yeah. This looks like, yeah. Okay, this is done, but I'm pretty sure that they won't continue constructing railroad if we don't construct this station, which is, again, fine. This is fine, because we're gonna be upgrading all of it to, well, higher level of existence or something like that. Actually, you know what? Let's make it tighter. Like this, because I might be in a mood of squeezing in some buildings between the railroad and this. Okay, so we have something like this. Perfect. So you're gonna be constructed whenever, whatever we're meant to be. Okay, so we're gonna go for a train. I'm thinking of tunnels here, maybe. I don't know. We'll see. If I go for tunnel over, is this a thing at all? Let's see. Tunnel is, let's see, from somewhere around here to about there. I like tunnels. I know some people said that tunnels are not, you know, the best way going about because it's, I don't know, they're clogged or whatever, but I like tunnels. So why the hell not? Let them play with tunnels, and also it's gonna at least give our wood industry something to do, because those boards are not being used anywhere. So we have a tunnel over here, and yeah, I went to Cinque Terre this summer, and let's just say that Cinque Terre in Italy, it's just one long tunnel with few air shafts that they call cities, and I'm kidding, I'm loving that place. But I'm not dissing it, but it's just a lot of tunnels there. Alright, okay, so this looked nice until it stopped. So let's see if I can, here we go. Okay, this is much better. This is much better, but do I let the train do... Yeah, this is gonna be weird. I'm gonna leave it for now like this, but I think I should definitely try to separate... let's construct this. I think I should definitely try to separate from here additional train line that's going to be used only by coal. But what about tunnel? Do I put a third bore of tunnel in there? I don't know. Let's leave it like this right now, because I think the coal train is going to be there first anyway. So let's leave that for another time. I'm gonna go and try to build this first. So we're gonna have Oh, right, but that's the thing, that I have to decide where this is gonna go. This doesn't have to be connected to the main roads, it can be connected... Okay, let's finish the public transport first. So this is the industrial zone, and this is the train. LDZ commented in the comment section about my handling of the... whoa, this doesn't look right. Me constructing the railroads near the Požiči there, on where oil refinery is. We have several intersections there, and I think he might be right, because I thought I'm starting to understand how railroads work, but I'm... Oh, you... Okay. So, I don't think I am. I think there's much more to learn for me, and, well, I think for everybody. I watched a lot of tutorials, some people making it. I did a lot of testing myself, how it works, but it might not be that simple. These railroads might be a little bit more complicated than I expected, because it's not working perfectly, so something is off there. I had a kind of like traffic issues, but oh yeah, like having traffic issues in this game, how unique of me. No, it's I know, but I really had high hopes that I understood how railroad works, but it doesn't seem like I do. Okay, this is definitely funky. Let's do a better job like this, and do the parallel one over here. And then just connect it all the way here. I think this should be okay. Okay, so this is more or less public transport line for two cities we're gonna have. We have some industrial potential here. We'll see how this is gonna go. These hills here are not the flattest thing in the world to build your industries in, but maybe, I don't know, space center or something. Something that employs a lot of people and doesn't require a lot of space. So. Sure, but something like that. Okay, well, they're constructing some stuff here. I can straight away say that I didn't connect these towers to this. Okay, let me see if they're gonna be assigned. Ah, they will. I'm pretty sure they both will. So, oh, right. Look at this. I forgot this one. I forgot this one over here. So let's see. I probably should have done this before the road, but I think this is gonna be fine. Some conveyor belt and pipe engine, and rotate, and this is what I want. What I really want is to connect it over here. Somehow. I think this should be okay. I think this should be okay, and yeah, let's let it finish and see how they're gonna do. Oh wow, they already finished the conveyor belt here. Okay, yeah, there's a lot of work to be done here, and yes, so the last thing I wanted to do here is actually the main thing that I wanted to do from the beginning, is to build the highway to finish it, and that was always a problem because this is a really hilly area. Okay, stop saying that. Hilly area, and we need to build a tunnel through this because leveling this bad boy up is gonna just take forever. But if I do the tunnel of love, okay, 2 tunnel pipes like this, and then maybe going across the river. Let me see the height difference in these two bad boys. Right, it's actually on the same, but that's okay, So if I go for, let's say, will you allow the bridge straight away? And what do you guys think about this bridge? Like, right, it's gonna have to be a little bit shorter. Okay, no. No, don't press that. But I'm gonna redo this road here. Okay, now let's try it. Right, brick bridge. Yeah, let's go with the brick bridge. And 1 and the 2. There we go. I think that's about it, what I wanted to build. I think they cannot be really... Alright, You know what? Just construct this. Whenever I will build a road like this, and both of you are gonna be connected to this road. Okay, that's just how it's supposed to be. And now I just need to connect it to the rest of the transport system. This is fine. And what about this one? Well, if I was a little bit smarter, I could have run it underneath if I built different kinds of bridges, but no, that's fine. Let me just remove a little bit of you. Oh, come on. You know you want it. Let's see this. There was a green. Give me green. There we go. Okay, this is not bad. I don't think this is bad. It's gonna take a while to build, of course, but hey ho, everything takes time to build. Just give them, because I probably should have done this earlier, even though it's not that bad of a traffic, but still, probably should have give them both lanes to every direction, just so they can go next to each other. For some reason this one is faster than the other ones. This is beautiful, this is really nice. Okay, that was a coffee time. Oh, if you didn't like and... Did I say that? Anyway, if you like, subscribe, and that kind of stuff. Right, we have a crap load of these, and I'm hoping that some stuff in this country is actually functioning, but I'm making no promises, because look, we have so much industries. I know that one of them is gonna be the one that we rebuilt already. Yeah, that one. That's a road cargo station that we rebuilt, that was destroyed well, it wasn't that long, it was only a few days, I think, before it was rebuilt by us. And there we go. This is more or less what I wanted to cover right now. So I wanted to start expanding this heating station and, well, guess what? Electricity, power plant. Those two bad boys, I wanted to expand them because we need power source over here. You can see that electricity is being transported from Novi Bora right now, and there's only one cable going here, even though it's a big one, but still they should be using a lot of power here, so that could be an issue as well. Yeah, this one is not even connected to the grid. Well, to this grid. And then we have how much power is getting here. Only 6 megawatts. Okay, I thought it was a little bit more. No, it was 6 megawatts all the time. Megawatts. But still, redundancy. I'm gonna build high voltage power cables. Why am I not building it right now? And they're gonna go straight directly over here. Let's see if we can miss it. Right, this is where I want to connect it. Perfect. Let's see how far we can go. Let's go to here first and see where. Here we go. This is where the power plant is, and we want to go to the edge of the water as much as we can, and then let's see where we can place this. Power cable and power cable. Perfect. This is gonna not even that expensive. But anyway, this is gonna be connected to the grid. Probably I should build in the middle somewhere the four-way in exchange. Actually, you know what? Let's do this. Don't pause anything. It's not really important, but we can plonk it over here, remove this, and then we're gonna go for mods, and in the mods we have four-way power transformer. That would be this one, and we can plonk it in here. Oh, this is gonna be heating pipes. No, don't mess with them. Don't mess with the heating. This is gonna look a little bit wonky, but fine. I'm not sure if this is gonna work. I think it's a little bit, the angles are gonna be steep, and this is a little bit on a close side. Oh, this is actually gonna work. Okay, perfect. And bang. Right. There we go. Construct it whenever. This is not... this is gonna take a while, we understand. What is the power plant? Power plant is assigned, yeah, they're bringing stuff, it's being constructed, that's fine. This is being constructed, everything is being constructed. Let me just see if these guys are gonna be. Of course not. For some reason, they don't. What about this one? No, no, no. For some reason, between the towers, you have to pay for yourself. Maybe if they had a road, I think if they built the road one, it wouldn't be an issue. But it doesn't matter. I'm just gonna leave it as it is. Right, that's about it. Let's check the country. Let's check the state of the nation. How are we doing with the supplies over here? We're doing pretty well. They're going up. What about here? Well, actually, I probably should check it here. Look, 40% full. Meat is going up like crazy. That's fine. We're soon gonna retire this area over here. How is our farm doing? No trucks available. We don't care about that. But do we have trucks bringing crops from the fields? Farm distribution, yes we do. That's fine. Traffic looks fine. Let's check cities. We like cities. Cities 5. Ooh, maybe here. 138. When did we get that? Okay, only 500 kids living with their parents. Okay, 138. That's a new reality. Just under 140,000. But winter is coming, so bear in mind that that might be a little bit, taxing for our population. How many people are unemployed here? Come. How many people unemployed? 600. Okay, so if you, let's say, voluntarily want to relocate somewhere, that's fine, yeah. I think it is. We have a town hall. This is town hall. Nobody living with their parents. How many spaces for living do you have extra? Doesn't seem like you have much. Well, I think it's only few. You know what? I think we should definitely consider expanding this one here. So we have yeah, let's go with a building over here. So let's go with one of those residential big buildings. Here we go. The biggest ones, maybe. But you remember the problem we're gonna have? Yeah, you should, because this is gonna take a whole crap load of people working on this. And I don't know if we can afford this. Probably we can, but I still wouldn't want the whole city to work here. We need somebody to produce the materials over here. So let's lower this to a decent amount. Okay, still this is gonna increase the population of this town enormously. But here we go, 40 people, that's fine. Construct it whenever. Okay, I'm gonna have to focus on Usti over here, and that's gonna be probably not really, maybe not the next episode, but we'll see. How you guys doing? 128 people living with their parents. Yeah, that's interesting. And where can we help them out with? What can we help them out with? Right, this is here. In short, where can we move them? This one says we have 78 unemployed and nobody living with their parents, but we are not constructing any buildings over here either. You know what? I don't think this is the episode where I'm gonna be moving these people. Let's just leave them alone now. We're gonna do that probably in the beginning of next episode or something. But what I want to do now is maybe give them a building or two more so they can play around with. Of course, we need to bear in mind that if they start constructing this, this is really important. It's both heating and electricity production over here, and also it's winter. So heads up. I'm gonna go for 2 of these here, but I'm gonna go and lower the amount of workers again to quite low numbers, and hopefully that's gonna be okay. Yeah, one of the things I also noticed is when you're messing with heating and electricity, don't mess too much with it. Like, if a city is producing those 2 things, make sure that you have people that coming in there and living there and all that stuff. It's just, you know, don't make your life more difficult than it's supposed to be. Here we go. This is a big one over here. We have a lot of potential. Well, we can populate this town enormously. Yeah, we can. You know what we can do? We can let them finish it, because I don't How much? No, hell no. Let's just have them here. I could have populated one of these buildings now, but yeah, well, anyway, we know that Chernovice now has a really big population. Train construction, we have 2 locomotives already, that's perfect. We can start utilizing them. There's a lot of cars that need to be exported. Chemical production, we need to get that online as well. Electricity production. Well, we need to get that online as well. So let's pay for this one. And do we have people working here? We already have people working here, so this is gonna start in a second. There we go. Electricity is being produced, but it's not connected to the grid yet. We need to do, well, you guessed it, that as well. That's again going to be one of the next episodes, probably next one, because there are trains here, chemical industry, electricity, and then we have Kolomejice over there that need attention as well. And last but not least, we have Suhdol, which is not working. This is not. Let's check this one here. Here we go. 46 people living with their parents, and we need to get this online. Look, the money is not a problem, and we more or less are supplied with some stuff, so this should be fine. But we'll see. Anyway, guys, that's it. Leaving it here. Hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, press the like button. If you didn't, leave a nasty in the comment section. And that's about it. Happy Monday. Have a nice week. See you in the next one. Bye bye.